everyone, for triangle ABC with sides lowercase abc and opposite angles ABC respectively, we have line segment AB equals 6, line segment AC equals 2, line segment BC equals 4 square root of 3, and then when we have a segment that bisects angle A, we're going to find the length of line segment AD. So here's a little picture of it. I filled everything in for you. And so basically all we need to do is we're going to use the law of cosines and let A equal 2 times theta, because that's your bisecting. So this whole angle is 2 times our thetas here. And then let's go ahead and let AD segment, I forgot to put the D here, so this would be D right here. We're going to let that equal X. Since it's a bisecting the angle A, we're going to have line segment AB to the ratio to line segment of AC equals the line segment of BD to DC. All right, and that's going to be 6. There you see the 6 right here to 2. And that can simplify as 3, 2, 1. And the reason we're doing that is we need to find the length of BD. So BD here is going to be 3, and this is going to be 1. So this is going to be 3 square root of 3, and this one right here is just going to be square root of 3, or 1 times square root of 3. And when you add those up, you get 4 square root of 3. So there's that. Now we're going to use, let's consider triangle ABD. Now if we consider that triangle, we have cosine of theta and equals, and I'm using one of these formulas, pick one. So we're going to get 6 squared plus x squared minus 3 square root of 3 squared, all divided by 2 times 6x. Now this is going to equal x squared plus 9 divided by 12x. So I'll write this one again. So we have 1. Now we need to consider triangle ADC. So that one's going to be cosine of theta equals 2 squared plus x squared minus square root of 3 squared, all divided by 2 times x. And that's going to equal x squared plus 1 divided by 4x. So now that we have 2 cosines, we had it from the other one. Oh, let me write the other one down. The other one was cosine of theta equals, I forgot, what was it? X squared plus 1, x squared plus 9, looking at my paper, divided by 4x. Now that we have that, we're going to set them equal each other. And you set cosine of theta equals cosine of theta. They're the same. So now we're going to set them equal, and we're going to get x squared plus 9 divided by, and again, I'm writing the wrong stuff. This is 12x. All right, divided by 12x equals x squared plus 1 divided by 4x. Now when you cross multiply, you're going to get 2x squared equals 6. The x squares will cancel out, and you just get that. So basically we have x squared equals 3, or x equals plus or minus square root of 3. And remember, our x is the length of AD, which is what we're looking for. Now, since it's the length, Our length has to be positive, so therefore our x has to be positive. Therefore, we're only going to let x equal square root of 3 and not the negative. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.